Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the orifice on your foam cannon if you're looking to do that mod. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so here's the foam cannon mod. So here's foam cannon. This is actually my 1.25 orifice, but I'll show you how to take it out. So if you want to put in the 1.1, you can. It'd be nice if it focus. Anyway, let's see if I can get it to focus in a second. So, is you take your foam cannon here. And basically, what you want to do is you've got this piece here, and the orifice is actually inside that. So take your crescent wrench, and all you need to do is just crack this open, just like that. Alright. And then the orifice is inside here, so I'm going to unscrew that. So, there we go. So that's the 1.1 orifice in there. And so here's the 1.25. Let's see if I can get a closer picture. So you'll, let's see. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can definitely tell the difference between the two sizes. And so basically, if we take it out, so take your flathead, and then all you need to do is just put it in there and crack it loose. Let's see. This way. There we go. Focus. There we go. And then crack it loose, and then just... No, that's not going to do it. Unscrew it here like this. It keeps focusing on the wrong place. Sorry about that. And so once you unscrew it, then you can just dump out the orifice. And all you need to do is just put the other one in the correct way like that. And then just screw it in. And then you get the point. Screw that in, and then put this back in and screw that in as well. And that's the mod, which will give you way thicker foam because these electric pressure washers don't have as much power as the old gas ones. And so that's the problem with these foam cannons, is most of the time they just assume you have a gas pressure washer, which has way more power. But because the electric pressure washers don't have as much power, they need a smaller orifice to basically compensate for that, for the bigger hole in the bigger orifice. So this smaller one compensates for that and will still give you that thick foam if you have a less powerful pressure washer. So that was the mod. That's how you do it to get thicker foam. I'll actually have a video of this mod in action if you want to go to the description. I'll have a link for that. And then also I have another video on top of that where I have some basically like other things you can do to help make your foam thicker in addition to modding the foam cannon with the orifice. So that link will be in the description as well. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.